Hello everyone. So this is the first problem based on the projection of a line. So the problem is the front view of a line AB is 50 degree inclined to XY and measures 55 mm long. Front view of a line AB is 50 degree inclined to XY and measures 55 mm long, while top view is inclined to 60 degree to XY line, and A is 10 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. So find true length and true angles. Okay. So what are the steps for solving any problem based on the projection of line? So these are the three steps which is required to solve any problem based on projection of line. The first step is identify the given data. So first you read the problem once, twice. You have to read the problem and you have to identify what are the data which is given in this problem. So that is very much important. Half of your problem will be solved here only if you have identified the correct data which is given in the problem. So this is the first step, identify the given data. So I am identifying the given data from this problem. The front view of a line AB is 50 degree inclined to XY. So this front view means this is the short data. This is the short data which is given to you front view, because when the line is inclined to both the plane, front view is automatically short and the top view is automatically short. So the front view is written here, so that means this is short. So when the front view is inclined 50 degree, so that is alpha. So the first thing which is given to you is alpha is that is 50 degree. So this is alpha, not theta, because this is short data. This is apparent angle, that is the front view angle, that is called alpha. And measures 55 mm long. That means this front view is measuring, the length of the front view is 55 mm. So we know the short length in the front view, that is A dash B dash. That is A dash B dash. So it is given to us A dash B dash, that is 55 mm. This is very important. You have to identify the correct data. Then comma, top view is inclined to 60 degree. Again the top view means, again this is the data of short length. Top view short is inclined 60 degree. That is apparent angle from the top view, that is the beta. So it has been given to you beta is equal to 60 degree. This is very important. Alpha, because that is front view. That is the front view, so that is 50 degree given to you. Again, this is the length of the front view, A dash B dash, and this is the top view angle, this is 60 degree. So these are the data which is given the problem. Apart from this, A is 10 mm above HP. That means A dash will be 10 mm above XY, and A will be 15 mm below XY. So this is the location of the point. So these are the data which is given the problem. So the first step is identify the data. So we have identified the data which is given the problem. So these are the data which is given in the column. Second step is plot as per the given data. So we have to use this given data and we have to at least complete the steps. At least we can reach up to that part of the drawing with the help of this given data. So again, I will be drawing with the help of this given data. Okay, I will be rubbing this. So alpha is given to us 50 degree, and so we have to start with the reference axis. So this is the reference axis x, y, and it has been given to us, that is A dash. This A is 10 mm above HP and A is, so that is 15 mm in front of VP. So that means the front view is, this is 10 suppose, and this is 15. So this is my A dash and this is my A. So this is the location of A dash. So I will be writing that this is A dash and this is A. Okay. So quickly I will be drawing the next step only. I will be drawing the locus. That means that will be helpful only. So I will be plotting the locus at the very beginning. Okay. So next data which is given to us. Next data which is given to us, that is alpha is 50 degree. So alpha is 50 degree and beta is 60 degree. A dash B dash, that is given to us 55. Okay. So alpha is the angle made from the A dash. As we all know, alpha is the angle, that is apparent angle in the front view, so that is made from the A dash. So from A dash, we will be drawing a line. So this should be, angle should be 50 degrees. So this is alpha. Now length is given to us A dash B dash 55. Now take your compass. Now you have to take your compass and measure the length 55 mm by means of the scales by compass, and just keep the needle here and cut it. So wherever it is going to cut, that is the point. You have to name it B dash, because this is the short length. Because this is the short length. Okay. So we have got B dash short length in the front view. We have got alpha, that is 50 degree, that is given the problem. Now beta is given to you. Now beta is given to you 60 degree. So beta is given to you 60 degree. So beta is the angle made from the top view. So from A you have to draw a line that is 60 degree. This will be 60 degree. Now the length of the top view is not given, but we know the concept to find out the location of B. What is that concept? We have to draw the vertical line from this B dash. Okay, so draw the vertical projector from this B dash. So the point where it is intersecting on that top view, that point is the B point. So that is my top view, that is AB. So again I will be drawing the locus from B dash, because this is very important, locus. Also I will be drawing the locus from the B point. Okay. So now these are the data which were given in the problem, and we have plotted as per the given data. Now it is required in this problem, the third step is you have to apply the rotation of line method. So based on the two problems, whether the problem is of finding TL from SL, that is true length from the short length, or to find short length from the true length. But this problem is based on finding true length from the short length. So this is first one, and we all know how to find true length from the short length. I have told you in the last video, in the first video of the projection of line, I have discussed this thing, how to find true length from the short length. The steps I have told you, like the first rotate, then draw vertical. What to rotate? Either front view or top view. You have to rotate and make it parallel, and then you have to drop the vertical. Okay. So suppose I am making parallel the front view to XY. So what I will be doing, I will be taking the compass. Radius will be A dash B dash. So radius will be A dash B dash, and then rotate A dash B dash up to locus of A dash. So this was my first step, to rotate A dash B dash up to locus of A dash. Now this line is parallel to XY. Then drop vertical. Up to locus of B. Then drop vertical up to locus of B. So this is the point of intersection. So this will be named as B1. Okay, this is named as B1. Then join A B1. So join A B1, which will be the true length in the top view, and the angle made by the true length, this will be the phi. So we can measure the true length. So we have got our answer, that is true length. True angle, we have got the true angle, that is in the top view only, that is phi. So we can measure phi. But one thing is remaining here, to find theta. So how we can obtain the theta? By means of the true length in the front view. Theta निकालने के लिए हमें यहाँ true length चाहिए, और already we are having the true length. This is my true length. So again take your compass, measure the true length from here, put needle here of the compass, and just cut on the locus of B dash. So wherever it is cutting, this point, wherever it cuts, that point is named as B1 dash. Okay. Then join B1 dash. Join B1 dash. So this is my true length. This is my true length in the front view, and this angle is theta. So you can measure the theta from here. So what I have done, measure the true length from the top view, and just I have cut on the locus of B dash. Never think that this B1 dash and this B1 is going to lie on the same line. Don't use this concept. This B1 dash and B1 are never going to lie on the same line, because the length is same, both are true length, but the angles theta and phi are different. So this will never be on the same line. But B dash and B, this will be always on the same line. This already we have seen, this will be always on the same line. So this is the first problem which is based on the concept of finding the true length from the short length.